Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Snapchat call history. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you got there, head over to your DM section by tapping the DMs. And in here, if you head over to any conversation, you can find their call history with them, and you can one by one delete them from here. And you can also go to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the top left corner. And in here, you may find the call history if you have called someone, and you can delete that from here. You can also go to the settings option on the top right. Scroll down and go to my data, and then can delete the call history from there. You can also clear the cache files and the search history from here. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.